We will see Django installation on Windows. Create a folder and right click and open in terminal. First we will see Python is installed in this system. Python 3.14 is installed. We will install the Django. Now we will see the version of Django. Five point 2.8 is the version. We will create our first app. For this, you need to give command python -m django start project and you need to give project name. I have given my Django. Enter. Then we will see this folder is created. Under the Django, you can see my Django app is created. Now we will run the server. You need to type the command python manage.py run server. Enter. Control and click over the link and you can see the install work successfully. Congratulations. Thank you for watching the video.